Assalamu alaikum, I'm RJ Somania from Radio Tanar 90.4 FM. And right now we have with us a dynamic, inspiring Vice Chairperson of Khadi Village Industries Board, a dentist and a social activist as well, Dr. Hina Bhatt. Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Okay, I know you don't need any introduction. आपका नाम ही आपकी पहचान है, but मैं चाहती हूँ आप हमारे listeners को, हमारे viewers को दो लाइनें अपने बारे में बताएं.
Dr. Hina, I'm the daughter of this soil and I would love to work for people.
Wow, great. Okay, ma'am, if we talk about the Khadi Village Industries Board, तो आप कौन सी opportunities create कर रही है to accelerate the youth?
Khadi Village Industry Board is absolutely a package for educated, unemployed youth. So, Government of India, Khadi Village Industry Board is open for any category, for any person from any nook and corner in Jammu and Kashmir, to bring them to that level where they don't have cert jobs, where they create their own employment, entrepreneurship ecosystem. We are here to bring close Government of India and unemployed educated youth, where we see there is complete saturation or a recession regarding jobs, government jobs, not only in our country. Now because of the COVID, it's all over the world.
Exactly.
So this is the right place. We have the right schemes and completely upfront schemes for youth, for women, for ex-servicemen, for border areas. You just name the area. Leave that looking for government jobs, it's impossible in today's scenario. But be your own boss. Don't hunt for job. This is what I believe. And Khadi Village Industry Board has been quite successful. In 3 years, we have been number one at the national level as well as in ministry. This part of the scheme is like it's paperless.
Okay.
We have Prime Minister Employment Generation Program. It is absolutely, you just need a qualification, that is unemployment, no education, no paperwork. You don't need to run from office to office to move your file.
Right.
Everything is on the portal, everything is online. Usually we have seen people running from their homes to other parts of the cities or from the villages to cities for work. We give them the opportunity to work from their home with their family. We have recently had an interaction with ex-servicemen and Veer Naris, where we see our ex-servicemen, they retire at a very young age. They give their most of his youth to the country, and then they start looking for jobs. Then they start looking for corporate government jobs, and for today's world it is very impossible to come up to that expectation as a salary, and they have so many responsibilities. When they have done so much for the country, we have the responsibility to take care of them when they have served country.
Okay, talking about women empowerment, we have always seen that women somehow has been neglected, particularly in Kashmir. Being a female leader and you are a social activist as well, the main barrier for the women, particularly in Kashmir.
This is the only part of a country I have seen women are better educated, they're safer than any part of the country, and they have been given any opportunity to do whatever they want to do in life.
In Kashmir, we don't have the platforms.
Yes.
There are some loopholes. Somehow there are loopholes. So what you are doing for women?
We give the first preference to women. Definitely, it's not we have some quota, we have some criteria. I've seen women who are running gyms centers.
Exactly.
I've seen women who are running computer repair. Usually they are just, women are just thought about, she can run a parlor, she can run a stitching center, but women, girls are doing much more than that. We have schemes, Prime Minister Employment Generation Program or Rural Employment Generation Program. I can see today women are doing so well in organic cosmetics, and a lot of girls are picking up that. We have so many essential oils what we get from Kashmir, and they're utilizing that. So I just need to give them a ice breaking situation where they can do wonders. And Khadi Village Industry Board welcomes every child, girl child, women, sister, mother at any age. They're welcome to start their own unit, to start their own work. And I would love and I would be happy if they keep male workers in there, and she runs at the top, she runs the center. So it gives me a lot of encouragement when I see women in every district with different beautiful skill, and we are trying our best so that they can change their skill into empowered into their earning, better earning than before.
We talk about youth. आपके आने से पहले ना you are in charge, तो कैसा scenario था youth का? Now what do you think? Is there any change in a particular way?
There is a change. Lot has changed. I would not just take credit to me, but yes, awareness has gone outside. People are aware that Government of India is welcoming youth of Jammu and Kashmir. Earlier there would be target for the money that would flow in Jammu and Kashmir for our schemes. Then time came, the money, subsidy money got increased from 32,000 to 82,000. And then the Government of India saw the youth is so much having zeal and enthu about working in Jammu and Kashmir. So then they kept us targetless. I would say like we have around 75 crore we have already worked for Prime Minister Employment Generation Program, and previous year 22.50 crore for Rural Employment Generation Program. That means around we have crossed 100 crores. We have worked already in Jammu and Kashmir, and the whole money comes from the government to the beneficiaries account.
जैसे आपने schemes का अभी कहा कि क्या क्या schemes है, इसके अलावा is there anything right now that you are working on to create more opportunities to accelerate the youth of Kashmir?
Kashmir has been, I would say like Kashmir is blessed, absolutely blessed. You talk about the soil, you talk about the weather, you talk about the mountains, you talk about the resources here. Whatever we touch, we can, do wonders.
Right.
We are so blessed that in every district we have a skill, traditional skill. If you go towards south, we have Ari and chain stitch. If you go towards central, we have Sozni, we have paper mache, we have the best, wildest honey and the purest form of honey what we can extract. We have wood carving, we have paper mache. To keep this traditional art alive,
Right.
every district we have one cluster. 3 clusters are ready, people are working there. Same is in Jammu. Every district we are starting up with clusters. Cluster means where you get a common facility center for around 10 villages nearby, more than 100 artisans which are benefited in their area for their work, for the skill, for the marketing, for everything they require.
Any piece of advice for the youth?
For the youth, your life is precious. You're very important to your parents. They need you. Kashmir needs the survival of life. We need youth, well educated. Your parents spend majority not on anything, on your education, either here or outside Kashmir. So keep yourself safe. Grow successful, grow beautifully with your parents and live longer.
It's your first interview with रेडियो चनार, तो लास्ट में आपसे जानना चाहती हूँ रेडियो चनार के साथ जुड़कर आपको कैसा लगा? इट्स नॉर्थ कश्मीर्स फर्स्ट कम्युनिटी रेडियो स्टेशन एंड स्पेशली आरजे समानिया के साथ जुड़कर आपको कैसा लगा?
Wonderful. Again, I'm so proud that I have RJ Samania here as a girl. So it gives me more, it makes me more proud. Wonderful interacting with you.
Thank you so much.